Blending words with I, ka, ka, ik. This is I, and in phonic I sounds like E. This is C, and in phonic C sounds like ka. This is K, and K also sounds like ka. So all together we will say I, ka, ka, ik. I, ka, ka, ik. I, ka, ka, ik. This is K, and K sounds like ka. So you have to say all together I, ka, ka, ik. Ka, ik, kick. Kick means lathi mara. I, ka, ka, ik. Ka, ik, kick. Kick means lathi mara. I, ka, ka, ik. This is L, and in phonic L sounds like L. So all together I, ka, ka, ik. L, ik, lick. Lick means chete khawa. I, ka, ka, ik. L, ik, lick. Lick means chete khawa. I, ka, ka, ik. Ik, sick. Sick means অসুস্থ. I, ka, ka, ik. Ik, sick. Sick means অসুস্থ. I, ka, ka, ik. Ka, ik, kick. Kick means লাথি মারা. I, ka, ka, ik. L, ik, lick. Lick means চেটে খাওয়া. I, ka, ka, ik. Ik, sick. Sick means অসুস্থ. Underline the names of the pictures. This is the picture of kick. This boy, he's kicking this ball. First one is I, ka, ka, ik. Ka, ik, kick. Let's underline the first one. And here, this boy, he is licking this ice cream. So it's the picture of lick. Let's find out lick. Second one is I, ka, ka, ik. L, ik, lick. Let's underline the second one. And here, maybe he's a sick boy. He's lying on the bed. Let's find out the sick word. I, ka, ka, ik. Ik, sick. Let's underline the third one. Fill in the blanks. I, ka, ka, ik. This is ka. Let's put ka in this blank. Ka, ik, kick. This is lick. I, ka, ka, ik. L, ik, lick. This is sick. I, ka, ka, ik. Ik, sick. Now it's completed.